Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play Boom Boom, the legendary blues by John Lee Hooker. This is an absolute blues classic, and if you like this genre, this is must-play song for you. In this blues we combine both riffs and licks. And as a result you can even play it alone and it will still sound awesome. And so let's learn how to do it. So guys, we play this blues in the key of E. And we are gonna use two boxes of E minor pentatonic here. The first one and the second one. You can see these boxes on your screens. So the first lick, we play first lick like this. At first we play slide from fret 2 to fret 4. And this slide sounds like this. At first we play this note and then we slide. Slide it back, open G, and these notes. I use alternative picking here. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again. Then we play the main riff. We fret E major chord and hit bass strings. And then lift it, play D and G, then fret your A major chord and play fret 2 on the G and on the D. And then roll on your E chord again and play the bass notes again. Again slowly. Let's connect it. Second lick sounds like this. We use blue note here. At first we play these two notes, down, up, then play pretty fast slide from fret 3 to fret 2. Open G again. And again. I hope you are enjoying this lesson. We also have 5 cool lessons that are available on YouTube. I really recommend you to check them out. To do it, click the link in the description or scan this QR code. And let's get on with the lesson. Then we play first lick. But we finish here on the fret 2 of the G. So, and we play chord line like this. Fret 2 on the G and on the D. Fret 5 on the same strings. Fret 2 on the G and on the B. I played with downstroke. Now fret A5. And play open A string. And then play lick number 2. And the main riff again. So from the top. And then play lick number 1. But now we went to fret 4 on the G. And it means that chord B is here. And we play top of that B5 chord. And then these double stops. We play down, 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 up, and play open A string. So the whole lick and chord. And again. The main riff. So let me show you how it sounds when we play it from the top. And then we have one chord part, and it sounds like this. It's pretty groovy, and we play here. Low E string, these notes, open D and open G. A major chord here again. Roll it to E chord, upstroke, and open low E string. And when you play it fast, it will sound like this. And that's all, folks. If you want to learn another blues classic, check this out.